Hey guys, it's your boy. Let's go ahead and continue on with lesson 60. So fractional parts of a number or percent of a number. Now this really is the same thing, right? 0.6 is nothing other than 60%, okay? We use the same sort of stuff. And so when we ask what number is 0.6 of 31, okay, or what is 60% of 31, which is probably how you'll hear it more often, we're asking you to multiply 0.6 by 31, okay, and find out your answer. And it's going to be smaller than 31 because, it's less than 1. 1 times 31 is 31. 2 times 31 is, of course, 62. So anything less than 1 is going to be a smaller number. So 18.6 is a little bit more than half of 31. Okay. So 3/5 of 120. So there's a number of ways to find that out. We could go ahead and you could turn 3/5 into a fraction, or turn 3/5 into a decimal. Or what you can do is you can do 3 over 5 times 120 over 1. Okay, so 3 times 120, which is going to give us 360 divided by 5, and now that'll give us 72. Okay, and that is how I would solve that. They don't really show you the math in this one, so I figured I'd show that to you. I think you guys can solve 6 times 31 and then move that decimal point over, right? The jacket sold for $75. 40% of the selling price was profit. How much is 40% of 75? Okay, so they sold the jacket for $75. Okay, and we're trying to figure out what 40% of it is. So times 0.4. So we multiply through, and then we just move that decimal over. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28, 29, 30. So it gives us 300, right? But I have to move the decimal point over from here to here. So my answer is 30. Okay, I think you guys should have no problem with the rest of this. It's all about the same, just multiplying by decimals, adding by decimals. Okay, don't think you'll have much issue. If you do, let me know. I'm going to ask that you guys do 2 through 30. 30 you might have problems with, okay? I really want you to think it through. If you get stuck, absolutely send me an email. Well, maybe I should just do it with you because it is going to be confusing. The x-axis is a line of symmetry for triangle ABC. Okay, so the coordinates of point A are 3, 0. Okay, so let's see. So what that means is I have a triangle, okay, and the x-axis goes right through that triangle. Okay, it's an angle of symmetry. And what that means is that this side is identical to this side. Okay, now assuming A is 3, 0. And the coordinates for B are 0, -2, which actually, now that I'm looking at the things, it really should be this way. This is the x-axis. That's 3, 0. Actually, if let's just do it all the way right. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So sorry. X is 1, 2, 3, 0, and then I have 0, -2, 0, -2. So, okay, here you go. This is half of my triangle. My other half will be right here, so that way it's symmetry. So if 0, -2 is here, okay, then my opposite is going to be 0, +2. So 0, +2 is my option here. I was simplifying it and not actually trying to do the numbers, but this works better for you, so you can actually see everything. So 3, 0, 0, -2. So A, B, and C. I think the thing that threw me off was if I was labeling this triangle, I would do A, B, C. To have A be here and B be down here is weird for me. That's why I got confused when I was trying to really quickly draw it out. Anyway, coordinate of point C is 0, +2. Don't worry about the rational symmetry. I just want you to find the point there, okay? All right. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. Have a good one. Still 2 through 30. Bye.